Getting dressed is fun to do. Pick out colors, red, green, or blue. Starting with my pants, pants, pants. Pants, pants. Put on my pants one by one, one by one. All legs are done, 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 done. Pull it up, zip it up, easily, easily. You've done it all, happily, happily. Let's put on our top, 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 top. Put our head through the head hole, 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 hole. Arms go through arms, hole, 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 hole. Let's pull them down, 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 down. You're the best dressed in town, 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 town. Getting dressed is so much fun, 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 fun. Chose your color, red, pink, blue. Whatever you like, up to you, up to you. Socks and shoes, one by one.